condition. It has alloy wheels, great tires for the aluminum wheels as well. As we go inside, you'll notice it has two-door, it's spacious. On the steering wheel, it has cruise control, it has Bluetooth capabilities, as well as you can control your music that way. In the center console, it has hot heat for the winter, cold air for the summer. It has FM radio as well as CD player. This has a sunroof, it has a spoiler. The only thing it does not have is you here today. So please give me a call on my cell phone so we can take it for a test drive, and it can be in your driveway as early